Hello, I'm here again. This will be a quick video only to show you the castings I didn't show you last time in my last video, because the video stopped and I didn't show the other ones that I thought that I did show. So this was by in a Chinese store. They have plenty of castings there, but this was the only one that I liked and the one that I buy. It's cool. It was €1.50, and it looks like the chopper from the TV series from the 90s. I don't remember the name, so if you remember the name of the series that had a chopper like this, let me know. Not in this color, but I really like this chopper. The back slides out to be opened. It's a cool chopper from the fire department. They have other castings there. And look, it has screws if you want to disassemble the chopper and paint whatever. The chopper, it's a cool casting. Another that I buy is this one for me to customize. Today I've seen 7 of this guy in a continent. But this will be for me to customize a little bit of customization of myself when I have my bench ready for costumes. Yes, I'm working on my bench to work on my cars. And this is another one for costume. Another one, maybe this will be here in the blister. I've seen 3 of this guy today, and today I had lucky and I found another 3-window 34 Ford. Now I have 3 of this guy. I will be opening one, but not now. Okay, now I have 3 castings of this. And I was looking for this treasure hunt for a long time, and today I found it. This is it. As you can see, it is a treasure hunt logo here. So maybe I'll open this. It's the only one that I have. Fire heater. So this is it, guys, for now. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more, because the stores haven't got nothing new since the release of these cases. I think it's the M case. We are looking for the N case. This is from the M case, so we'll be looking forward to receive it on the stores. I don't know when, but keep in touch. Bye bye.